Did you ever want to get off the beaten track when you're in England and go to someplace that every tourist doesn't go to? Maybe see some monuments or something that everybody else doesn't see? There's a really cool place called Runnymede, not far from Windsor Castle. And from an accessibility point of view, it's kind of okay. Well, sort of. It's in a pretty flat field, but there's some things you need to know. So let's go and take a look at it. And, well, we're going to give you some hints and tell you some things that you need to know. So let's go for a walk. And going out to Runnymede, there's a very, very interesting tree. Just keep it moving. Let's see the tree. Okay, so this is like really quaint English countryside. You are going to see the manor houses. There's horses. There's sculptures. I mean, living art. This is really quintessential England. This is what you expect. This is what you really want to come here for. It doesn't get much better than this. Oh, that's the Jurors. These are called the Jurors. We're at Runnymede. Looking at the Jurors. If people want to comment, I'm pretty sure I got the names of the artwork incorrect here. But there was a fair amount of artwork out in the field. I know some of the artwork is named the Jurors. I pointed at two different pieces and called both of them the Jurors. I know it. One of them's the Jurors, one of them isn't. Feel free to correct me. Move on and head towards the Magna Carta Memorial. Make our way over that way and see what we find. I think we're heading up that path now. So get a feel for what this is like. It's really a pretty flat field over here. And you're just walking through. And up ahead there's going to be the Magna Carta Memorial, and also we're going to hit a JFK Memorial out here. And this is what Runnymede is known for. It's the Magna Carta Memorial, which was built by the ABA, American Bar Association. And then the JFK, and I guess we're hitting the Kennedy Memorial first. Here's the sign for that. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna go up. Okay, up to the point to the Kennedy Memorial, this is pretty flat. But you see where those stones are? This is where everything changes. Keep watching. Well, this will not be finished in the first 100 days. They do reward you with these beautiful carved gates, and they're absolutely incredible. But watch as we continue walking. There is a price to pay for everything on this planet. But let us begin. Three famous words. And we'll read what's on the other side of it as we leave. And now we're heading up the path to the Kennedy Memorial. And the path's a little tricky, covered with leaves. But we're making our way up. And there's steps. A lot of them. Steps! And these are not even steps. These are about as tough as you're gonna get. Did I mention there was a price to pay? Here it is. And that crooked step is really, really special. And the path's a little crooked. And here's the JFK Memorial. So this is U.S. soil we're standing on. A slab of concrete with this inscribed into it. Personally, I think it should be a flame fountain, but if you're going to go up the hill, this is what you're going to see. It's a beautiful memorial. A lot of steps to go up, so be warned. You're climbing a steep hill to get here. And it's really tough if you have a bad back. I think it's a beautiful memorial, although I think it could be a little bit more for the number of steps. You probably guessed from my comments, it's a steep hill you've gone up. Right? Now, you see that watch path? As we go down, and you're really going to get an idea of what we went up. That way. You're going this way. And now look what's next. This is like a living hell for me. If you have a bad back, think long and hard about going up to this one. Our most common link is that we all inhabit this small planet. We all breathe the same air. We'll cherish our children's future. We are all mortal. We wake up, stand up, clean up. The path to Magna Carta is much easier, and the Magna Carta Memorial is actually much more impressive. I highly recommend you go and take a look at that. Walk from the base of the hill It's really quite beautiful. It stands in fields, and there are steps that will take you down through a number of gates. You also look at the issues for freedom. You can spend a few hours out here. Also see the JFK Memorial, although I will warn you, that one is a bit strenuous to get to. This one's an easy walk up. It is a beautiful place. Bring a lunch out here. There's artwork out in the field. It's real close to Windsor Castle, so you can link this to Windsor Castle for a day out. And the fields are just beautiful around. I'm going to pan over to the fields. This is Runnymede, so you really will enjoy yourself. It's worth coming out here. And I encourage you to do this, to support it, support the area. It's a really special place. Remember, it's something that's the heritage of all Americans, because this was where America came from. Jack Rose, Ultimate Park Guide in England, looking at the foundation of American freedom. Runnymede is an incredible place. Highly recommend you go there. Consider whether or not you want to go up to the Kennedy Memorial. It's a little bit of a hike, but the field is wonderful. The views are incredible, and the Magna Carta Memorial is absolutely spectacular and worth visiting. Enjoy your time in England. Have a great time. Ultimate Park Guide. If you like what we do here, ring the bell, subscribe, and come visit us again.